Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have my Adornable Elements Beads of the Month Club that I want to share with you all today that I got for the month of November 2025. The Adornable Elements subscription, they have 6 different clubs that you can sign up for. They have the Fire Polish Beads of the Month Club, which is the one I have this time. And then they have the Gemstone Beads of the Month Club, the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month Club, 2-Hole Beads of the Month Club, the Miyuki 11 Seed Beads of the Month Club, and the Miyuki 11 Delica Beads of the Month Club. And that way you can pick whichever club or clubs best suit the type of beading you like to do or the type of beads you prefer working with. And then they also have the Rotating Beads of the Month Club, which is the one that I get. And in that club they rotate you through all 6 clubs 1 month at a time. They also have 2 different sizes in their clubs. They have the Single Club and the Double Club. The Double Club is the same beads as the Single Clubs, you just get twice as many. And then they also have the Findings Companion Pack and the Crystals Companion Pack. Both the Findings Companion Pack and the Crystals Companion Pack are add-ons that you can get in addition to your club subscription for an additional cost, but there wouldn't be any additional cost to ship because it would be shipped with your club subscription. If you're an international customer, you'd need to contact their customer service about the cost of shipping to your particular country. The crystals in the Crystals Companion Pack, sometimes they're Swarovski, and it looks like all mine are this time. But if they're not Swarovski, they're extremely high quality and beautiful Austrian crystals. And then the Findings in the Findings Companion Pack are just really beautiful, high quality and unique findings. And they're in a different finish each month, so it's a great way to build up your stash of high quality findings. You'll also get a code on the bottom left of your invoice to enter into your web browser to get access to their free patterns page. It's 3 free patterns each month, and it's in PDF form, so you can download it to your computer and save it. Of course, you could print it out if you'd rather do that. I have a coupon code. It's Teresa10, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to their website where you can sign up for any of their clubs if you're interested. The code will save you 10% off the first month of whichever club or clubs you sign up for. And if you decide to sign up for the Rotating Beads of the Month Club, the one that I get, and you use my code, they'll put you on the same rotation that I'm on, which means you'll get the same collection of beads that I do every month. So I always open my Crystals Companion Pack first, which will have some beautiful Swarovski crystals in there. That looks like butterflies. Is that what that says? Yeah, no, dragonfly. Those are beautiful. So hold on and I'll get them out and put them in some little dishes. Okay, I've got my crystals sorted out now, and first is my little dragonfly pendant that I was looking at. It says Olivine Dragonfly Pendant. It's 30 millimeters, and like I said, these are all Swarovski this time. It's really pretty. Sort of how the hole goes like that. They're pretty little dragonfly wings. And then next I have 6 8mm white opal lemon bicone beads. It's kind of hard to see them because they're about the same color as my bead mat is. You can see them better like that. Those are really, really pretty. White opal lemon. Oops. And then next are 24 5 millimeter aqua round beads. Really pretty color of blue here. It's really, really pretty. And that's everything in my Crystals Companion Pack. And now I'm going to open my Findings Companion Pack. This time it is matte gold. I don't know if I've ever got one in matte gold. Oh goodness, look at that chain. Oh, Oh, that chain is so pretty. So hold on, I'll sort this all out and I'll be back. Okay, in my findings companion pack, first I have this incredibly beautiful chain. This is 11 millimeter lengths. It's 2 feet and it's cable chain. And that's just beautiful. Of course, they open so you could take them apart and make links out of them if you wanted to. Arrange it however you want to. That's just so pretty. It's a really, really beautiful chain. Big chunky chain. And then next it says 3 sets of round toggle clasps in various sizes. Let's see if I can get all these on my hand without dropping them everywhere. Probably won't be able to do that. I never am. These are really pretty little toggle clasps. And then next I have a square toggle clasp. It's really, really pretty. That's what the back looks like. And then next is 2 pairs of butterfly earring studs with back. So they've got the little back on them there. And they're little butterflies. Probably go good with that dragonfly pendant that I got in the Crystals companion pack. Those are really pretty. And then next, it says 2 multi-loop links in various shapes. And I got a couple of oval ones here. Got the 2 little loops there. It's really neat. Be nice to use for a focal, or I guess you could use one on either side of a necklace or whatever. Make some earrings with them. They're really pretty. And then last is 12 6mm 18 gauge jump rings. Those are really neat. Like I said, I don't think I've ever got matte gold in one of these findings companion packs. It's like I said, you get to build up your stash of findings in all different kinds of finishes. It's really neat. So now I'm going to open my beads. The theme is Citrus Cooler. And it's a little peek. Some pretty citrusy colors. Hold on, I'll get these all sorted out and I'll be back. Okay, I've got my beads sorted out here now. And first I've got some 7 by 8mm crystal rosebud beads. I have 20 of them. I get the double club, so if you got the single club, you would get 10, I guess. But I have 20 here. These are just really, really pretty. Kind of hard to see. They're so clear. Kind of hard to see on camera anyway. It's got so many facets, I can't see the hole. There it is. There we go. Those are really, really pretty. Look like little rosebuds. then next I have 40 4x6mm olivine crow beads. And these have a pretty big hole in them. You might could get them on some leather if you wanted to. I can get this to focus. I think it's wanting to blur. Let's see. There we go. I think it's in. I don't think it's blurring now. Really pretty. Pretty shade of green. And then next I have 20 crystal / green antique oval beads. They're 8x10mm. Those are really neat. Really pretty. And then next are 50 dark topaz AB drop beads. They're 5x7mm. Oops. I'm having a hard time seeing whether these are in focus or not. I have a lot of whites in my eyes. I hope they're in focus. Not blurring. I think they are. It's really, really pretty. Pretty drop beads. And then next I have 50 topaz / green triangle cut beads. They're 6mm. And these are really neat. They've got 3 sides because they're triangle cut. It's really neat. I know it's probably hard to see, but they have 3 flat sides. Kind of makes me think of a pinch bead, except they're not the pinch bead shape, but that's how the pinch beads are. They have 3 flat sides. And then next are 50 milky yellow round 6mm fire polish beads. Oops. There we go. They're really pretty. Really pretty color of yellow. And then next I have 200 melon orange 3mm fire polish beads. little tiny 3mm beads. Those are really pretty. Melon orange. And then last I have 150 Jonquil AB 4mm fire polish beads. These are really pretty. I love this AB finish on here. I think I'm not, maybe if I, guess it's a little late. I should have done that already. Maybe if I zoom in, it'll be easier to focus. Those are really pretty. Jonquil AB 4mm. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll get everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in my November 2025 Adorable Elements Beads of the Month Club. This month I got the fire polished beads and the Findings Companion Pack and the Crystals Companion Pack. Just some really beautiful beads and findings. They always are. I just really, really love this subscription. And like I said, if you're not subscribed to any of their clubs and you decide you want to be, that coupon code will save you 10% off the first month of whichever club or clubs you decide to sign up for. And if you sign up for the Rotating Beads of the Month Club, which is the one that I get, and you use my code, they'll put you on the same rotation that I'm on, which means you'll get the same collection of beads that I do every month. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.